What's going on, all my winners? My name is Joey Winning from Winning Tints, and today we're going to be tinting this 2024 BMW 850i Gran Coupe in gunmetal gray. We're going to be applying 20% hybrid ceramic on the back windshield, rear windows, front windows, and 50% on the front windshield, which is going to prevent heat and UVA rays from getting in the car, causing damage to his interior. We're also going to be installing this OEM spoiler, along with swapping out the badges to a different tone. Now, if you want to skip to a specific part of this video, feel free to hit one of the timestamps in the description below. We have been modifying our customers' high-end BMWs for almost 20 years at an expert level, with some of the most exclusive models rolling in and out of our shops with ease. This 850i Gran Coupe has an MSRP of $106,300. It has a powerful V8 engine that produces 523 horsepower, making this a very big, fast, and expensive vehicle. As we glide around to take a closer look at this car, we are welcomed by this cream and dark blue interior, which is a nice quality leather that runs throughout the entire vehicle, which is a color scheme less common in the BMW lineup of their more high-end models. Now that we've seen this car outside before the tint installation, let's bring this car inside out of the sun and check it out one more time before the winning team gets going on another job well done. As we pull this car inside, we can notice this big body style car with very soft and sleek contour lines that is completely different from the newest 7 Series that is much boxier and upright. Even though this car seems like it's in a class of its own, let's compare the Gran Coupe to cars in its class. The BMW 850i Gran Coupe has a price tag of almost $107,000. It produces 523 horsepower and is a 3.6 second car from 0 to 60. The Porsche Panamera has a much lower price tag of $92,400, producing 620 horsepower, making this a 5.3 second car from 0 to 60, falling short to the Gran Coupe. The Audi RS7 is priced at $123,900. It has 621 horsepower and climbs above the Gran Coupe at 3.5 seconds from 0 to 60. The 4-door Mercedes-AMG GT has a cost of $96,950. It has 630 horsepower, making this the highest horsepower on the chart. It gets up and going at 3.7 seconds from 0 to 60, staying beneath the Gran Coupe once again. Considering the price points, I personally would go with the Mercedes-AMG GT. Now, let's get back to the winning team while they get this job done. I'm going to pass it over to ELIX Winning now.
This is one of the jobs that we do here at Winning. We actually debadge the model of the car and install this black. We're more of a like gunmetal chrome. We're also going to install this spoiler right on top of here. Vroom, vroom. Okay, so we're actually going to do all the windows of this car. We're going to install hybrid ceramic film S7 on all the windows, including the front windshield as well. We're going to be tinting all the doors and the back windshield in the 20% hybrid ceramic film. Then we're going to tint the front windshield 50% hybrid ceramic film. With the hybrid ceramic film, it reduces fogginess, it eliminates glare, it also blocks out 72% of the heat that comes inside the car, and it blocks out UVA and UVB rays that come inside the car as well. So the tint is on the outside, it looks way darker. It's going to look a lot clearer. When it's installed on the inside, it's going to look more like a light smoke.
The Gran Coupe is definitely a beautiful car and has restored a true BMW look with this design. With previous cars recently added to the BMW lineup, it has caused an uproar in the BMW community because of its change. It is nice to see a refreshed look on an original design. Now let's jump inside and get thorough on this interior. Now, the color of this interior is not commonly seen. It's almost giving a blueberry and cream kind of look. But BMW has always showed out on its interior, especially on the higher priced vehicles. Looking further into this interior, we have a nice and simple infotainment center with pretty standard button controls for climate adjustment. We have some wood veneers and some glossy black accents with a specially designed shifter knob from Swarovski. I personally feel this is a gorgeous and magnificent touch of luxury added into BMW's high-end lineup. My final thoughts on this interior are comfort, luxury, and dessert. This colorway is definitely not doing it for me, but it doesn't take away from the obvious that this interior is luxury based with a simple yet elegant design. Now let's watch as the winning team gets busy on this Gran Coupe.
Hold on, Joey. Check it out. If that same car was in white, it would look a lot better, don't you think? Look at it. I think he should wrap it. What do you guys think? White? Eh? Come on, let me show you. Look at that, guys. I feel like in white, just looks a little bit better. Black, stormtrooper look. Black top. Maybe he could come back to us and wrap it. What do you guys think? After he's done tinting it, eh?
If we had to compare, I think I would agree with Mike winning on the color of this car, looking better in white. What do you guys think? Should he get it wrapped? Let us know in the comments.
So this gentleman came in with this BMW M8. It's a 2024, it's brand new. He brung in this wing. I'm not sure if it's aftermarket or not. It does say BMW on it, so it's not aftermarket. He came in with this BMW straight from the dealer wing. It's not on there, but we do this for you guys.
As we finish this 2024 BMW 850i Gran Coupe, we had a last-minute request to tint this car's reflectors, which is no problem here in this winning establishment. We offer many different services, including, but never limited to, wrapping that S-Class or your other S-Class. We do color tinting on classic cars. We can tint your taillights properly or powder coat your rims any color. This car came in looking pretty good, but it is now leaving with an authentic winning attitude, looking great. If you like what we did to this car today, don't forget that we offer 100-day interest-free financing. So hit the subscribe button, click the bell for new content on the way. My name is Joey Winning.
What's going on, my winners? Today we have a 2024 BMW 8 Series Gran Coupe. Ooh, yeah. It doesn't matter what year the car is.